Okay, hi, what's up? Karon is magdula tag pigil-pigil. Grabe naman si Pigil. Guwapa kayo eh. So chapter 11, nice. Back na lang. Okay. So, by the way, and di ko rin makakalimutan char, Tagalog yan. Ayok kalimti na magdula ta ha. Kani ako ang pangalan, kaya na sili. Kani. So, karon is, mag-start na tag game. Okay, unsa ni? This is where the signal came from. Sige, ingon. Oni? I guess we're going in then. I'm scared. Ay, takot daw. Naunsa man si bayot, ay. So, karon is, magdula tag pigi. Sa katawan niya. Sina. Bala man day na. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Just, oh my god. Ini manusia namanya. BGS okay na for the guapa yarn. Kasi itong gusto mo. So guys, orang galing kay kasama ka dito. I am just so scared. Ay, orange key. Aray ko po. Oh no, this is not good. Hey, anong gagawin ko? Ano tayo expert? Yes, go. Bro, bakit mo? What? Nagbubudots. So, ayan mga ka-frequency. Frequency. Tanga dito. Tanga naman to eh. Char. Murag lagi tagbuang. Ay, joke lang. So, karon is my first video of playing. Piggy nga pala. And we are gonna be exploring this. Char. So, ano man nanata, guys. Guys, di ko ganahan. Ayaw lang good. Yes. Murag expert na niya kung kaupa. Walang jud ko hawid-hawid. Bisag unsa gusto si. Ay, tingnan mo. Gawas di sa kwan. Bobo naman. Hintayin mo ako. Almira. I am not. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Cookie pie, grabe. Galing mo, para kay shoutout na lang ako lang pala yung bacon dito. Sorry, wala ko talagang Robux for the day. And I hope you will like and subscribe. Guys, ano? Gagawin. Tingnan. Guys. Nice. Oh, galing ng babaeng ito. Bro, like, ayoko na. Ayoko na, guys. Takot na naman ako para lang nito. Pinakatakot ako na ito. Minus me. Huwag naman tayo OA dito, ha. Wait, ang bullet. Aray ko po. Lakad na dito si Paygay. Ay. Doon pa pala yung gwapo namin na Paygay. Man. Hindi naman yun siya ganun kagwapo. God. No. Ako lang po isa? Kung sabihin, ako lang po isa dito. Please lang, because hindi ako magaling dito, ah. No. Oh my gosh. Parang ako na nga isa dito. Yes! Diyan sa'yo bro. Run for your life. Nice. Kunin mo, guys. Guys. Yes, nakalaya tayo guys sa 11. So maglaro tayo ng H game nito, and I hope na mga not game we skip. Are we ready to face whoever is in there? Wait, George? Wait, si Georgie yan eh. Si George. Georgie? Aren't this place? I convinced them to play a game of hide and seek. Why did you follow us, Georgie? I want to see the person who hurt my family. Oh, grabe naman yan. Pagka-RA, will you've attracted quite the crowd. Mira L250. Take Georgie with you in their pony, and I will hold you. Stay close to me, Georgie. I'll keep you safe. I keep you safe. Aww. Sissy, if you don't... It's okay, pony. I already know. Aww, so sweet. Wala, edi wag. Mabuti pa nga sila eh. Ayan, pasok kami ano. Wait, I've become a disaster. I tried to make things better but ended up making them worse. No way, Mr. Potato. We've come to stop your evil plans. It can't be. You two aren't real. My mind is playing tricks on me. The people I let down are here to haunt me. What's he talking about? You two are dead. Leave me be. We need to go after him. Ako na yan, nagsabi. Eh. Okay, so yun ang pinaka-scariest. Wait, dito na tayo sa carnival. Dito na tayo sa carnival, guys. Abisado ko lahat eh. Aray ko po. Eme. Bro, bakit ako? Bakit ako? Ano na yung kanta eh. Hindi na okay. Bakit tumutunog? Okay, there's literally... Kanin ko pala nito. Yes! Ang galing. Nobody wanna see us together. Nobody wanna know. 'Cause I like you. Bro, kailangan natin ng plank. Oh my gosh. So, kaya pala kinakagat nila yung ano. Hindi ako natakot kaya mag-guys lang. Tapos why not? Yes, thank you for reminding. Go, kunin mo. Kunin. Let's go. Follow me. Saan ka papunta, girly? Oh. Yes! Takas naman. Mr. P, I'm here too. Who are you? Oh, Zizi. Are they infected? Pony. The infected don't talk. Right, I knew that. This is my friend, Pony. Okay. Let's see. I'm Mira L250. We came to look for survivors. We've got a safe place. Oh, look. They've got a friend too. That's no friend. That's one of them. Don't worry. I got this. Pony is But thanks, that was a close one. Let's bring you back with us. This place is dangerous. Gosh, takot pala ito eh. Okay, ano yan? Wrong chapter. No. They run this way. Amo? Why would they hide here? So, tignan natin kung makasurvive pa ba ako nito. Low-key scared. Oh, please. Give me a chance. God. Okay, please. That's the end of our video. I hope you like it. And syempre, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys. I love you so much. Thank you for watching.